Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to if you new. As you said, you wanted to see this little natural hair bun tutorial, like space bun tutorial thing. And so I decided to give y'all what y'all wanted, so I just did it. If you want to see how to get your hair looking like this, keep watching. Oh, I forgot. I have a shout out to give out to, I don't know her name, but it's gonna be right here. She messaged me on Snapchat and it was super duper cute and it made me smile so much. Go subscribe to her channel. I'll have her channel linked in the description box below. Because I did see her subscribe button, like it pops up, it tells me that you subscribe to my channel, you know what I'm saying? So I know who subscribes to my channel. So yeah, go add her because she's super sweet. And don't be afraid to message me. Like if you guys want to message me on Snapchat or Instagram, I do message back. I do love to talk to my subscribers. It really just makes me happy and see that like people actually like want to communicate with me and actually like me, you know what I'm saying? Actually like me, like this thing right here. But yeah, so I'm not a mean person, so if you're like scared to message me or anything like that, don't be. Like I will message back, and it may take me a while because I do take a while to message back, not just, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, that's off topic. Like I said, if you guys want to see this little tutorial right here, keep watching, okay? Because it's coming. It's coming. Hey guys, so I'm starting off with already French braided hair. I just had to plait, so I sprayed my hair with this water bottle around the edges already. So my Eco Styler gel, argan oil, yes, Eco Styler ain't cancer over here, can stick better. And I'm just gonna be using this brush to comb the gel into my hair. Now I do recommend doing this on a wash day, like I'm washing my hair tonight, because you do use a lot of gel and you just don't want to walk around with a lot of gel in your hair for long amounts of time. But yeah, just putting gel on. Okay, now is the time where I decide if I'm leaving any curlies out. Do I want curls out? Yes, because that'll make the hairstyle look cuter. So let me get my comb, and pull some out. There we go. That's a little too much. Okay. There's that. And pull out some curl in the back. I want this curl to be long, so I'm pulling out a lot of hair. There we go. So I just put it in the hair tie, and on the last loop, I just leave some of the hair out a little bit. And yeah. Normally it will be curly, and then when it is curly, I will take some little curly pieces out of the bun and I'll apply some, either my coconut and hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie on the little bit of pieces. So I have, like, say you see this little piece right here, so that will be curly, is sticking out. Or I would take my Curls with Girls by Dippity Doo jelly. This is my favorite and it's really hard to find, so that's why I don't use it as much. You can normally only find it at Marshall's or TJ Maxx or any store like that. Like, they don't sell that at Walmart. Sound cool to some people outside of school when a couple of guys who up to no good started making trouble in the neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said, "You moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air?" I whistled for a cab and when it came near. Okay, I'm sorry, y'all. Fresh Prince of Bel Air is playing on TV and I kind of got a little bit of hype. But I just did my other bun, as you can see. Of course, both buns aren't going to look perfect. But the only thing that really matters if they're leveled. You know, you don't want one right here and one all the way up here. You know what I'm saying? But to fix these a little bit of curly so they curl up real cute, I'm going to be using this gel that I mentioned earlier. And this is just what it looks like. It works so good on my hair. I did my old wash and goes, like when I first went natural with this, and then I ran out, so I couldn't do that wash and go video, so I can do it now. But I'm just scared I'll run out again because I could never find it. Like, you know how long I went without this because I couldn't find it? Okay. Come on. So yeah, I'm just going to be twisting those, making the curly that are out look real cute. A little bit goes along. Why is that sticking like that? Don't you hate when some curls curl weird? Like, don't do that. Whatever. On this side, I need some chipstick. Yeah, my skin been acting up. I'm going to the doctor today to talk to them about it. Like, what they want me to do and stuff. They can give me any products recommendations, or if they can't, send me to the what is it? What's a skin doctor called? I normally know it, I just can't think of it right now. But next I'm gonna be doing my edges again. Like y'all already know, I always use a Gorilla Snot. It's punked, but I always use Eco Solid first, so I can get the bases of my edges. Because if you use Gorilla Snot, it is so hard to form once it's on there, so I don't want to mess up and then it be stuck like that. So this is what I use to shape the edges, and then that's what I use to secure it. I know it seems complicated, but it works. You don't want to be. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe right down below for more videos. I'm so close to 1K. Road to 1K coming soon. Hopefully before school of next year happens. You know, I'm trying to get to 1K before summer's over. You know what I'm saying? Thank you guys so much for subscribing and liking and doing all that good jazz, you know, supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. It really helps me out, and it just encourages me to put more content out for you guys. But if you want more natural hair tutorials like this, comment down below what you want to see, or if you don't, comment down below other video suggestions that you want me to do. You know what I'm saying? So make sure to follow me on all my social medias. I'm not gonna plug in this video. They just in the description box below if you want to go check them out. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Bye. Why am I still talking?